again!
So near we have an alpha male mating with a female.
Dude, they're having sex. They're fucking
And as they walk, we have a boat crown.
Oh my god, it's my fucking idol.
Crown.
Fucking what's going on? There's a fucking threesome. David,
Having sex.
There's a
No,
threesome
sorry,
going
I'm at
on.
work.
David Ham was
There's a
rejected
crown
me.
going on.
David Ham was just
And it
rejected
ends up
me.
on my head.
That fucking crown is fucking
I
around
don't know what's going on
Jesus
right now.
Christ, this
But
interspecies freedom.
Yo,
Fucking flying insect now.
That's one good session.
Someone join in, please.
You're not tuned in. Don't spoil the trick.
And
This crown. He's eyeing his prey up. Look at them, they're having sex at the moment. He's just fucking looking at them. And now he's just got her head. What is happening? None of the animal fucking species makes sense. Now it's a whitehead. It's having sex with a
You're gonna
whitehead
get
now.
pregnant
Like,
from the
you get
crown.
a university bar time you want?
yeah.
Yeah.
It's 25.
And we're doing a documentary at the moment.
It's David Attenborough.
It's
Wildlife
seeing the camera.
documentary.
It's seeing
I've
the fucking
put a
camera.
I've put